Hi, and welcome to Blank Pages. Before we get started, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe with notifications turned on so that you don't miss any new videos. I have a kit ready to go, and it's from Pat's Creative Solutions. I've put all the details in the description below. The bright colors of this kit are so playful and coordinate well with my photos. I can't wait to get started with page 1. Page 1 is looking wonderful. The chipboard negative on this page was painted beforehand, and the wire detail is something very unique. I used a chopstick to create some twists and coils, but you could use anything you have on hand, like a toothpick or the end of a paintbrush. Get ready now for page 2. And this is page 2. I loved using a photo as part of the title, and the lined paper under the frame is great for cute notes and funny memories from the day. So here are the 2 pages together, and I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. It really was such a fun page to work through.